Hello everyone! Today, we're going to explore how to manage team workloads in Jira using ActivityTimeline. Let's dive in. ActivityTimeline is an add-on for Jira that simplifies workload management. It offers a clear view of all your team's tasks and availability in one place. Let's go over some of its best features that help manage workload effectively. This is the timeline view, where you can see tasks scheduled across days or weeks. Color-coded indicators show the workload status for each team member. Green means balanced, yellow for underload, and red for overload. To adjust, just drag and drop tasks to reassign them. Users have the option to toggle between various workload types and calculation modes, such as in hours or percentage. Workload indicators show team capacity in 4 ways. Workload tracks workload based on estimated time left for tasks. Number of issues measures workload by counting daily scheduled tasks. Availability reflects each person's capacity and remaining task estimates. Work logs and workload balances future task estimates with past logged hours. These indicators are also available for individual teams. ActivityTimeline lets you estimate tasks in hours and story points. Also, it supports daily estimates. Simply click on any issue and set the daily hours each team member should spend on it. For more details, watch our previous video about timeline view capabilities. There are also 2 types of workload distribution when the task is scheduled. In balance mode, the workload is spread evenly across all scheduled days for a task. In liquid mode, the system fully allocates each day until the task is complete, carrying any leftovers to the next day. The workspace view shows a complete picture of each team member's assignments. Workload indicators highlight if someone's schedule is balanced, underloaded, or overloaded, helping managers make adjustments quickly. As an admin, you can choose what the bar chart displays. Work logs only. Work logs and forecasted workload from assigned tasks, or hide the chart completely. You can add logged hours to tasks by pressing the Log Work button. Choose the task you worked on and save a work log. Add, delete, or resize work logs on your timeline. The hours will be added automatically to your timesheets and accessible to managers for approval. Make your planning effortless with the right tools. To learn more, check out more videos on this channel. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to our support at support@reliex.com.